Make sure all straps are unfastened. Open the soft good and place behind the knee. Wrap the soft good around the leg, lower portion first, and fasten firmly with the contact closures. Fasten thigh closure. The patella opening should be centered over the patella and hinge aligned with midline. Then fasten calf strap and then thigh strap. The yellow strap tab allows the strap tension behind the leg to adjust to size when fitting. Once all straps are adjusted and fastened as desired, remove the yellow strap tab.